Hey guys, it's the Train Freak here, and I've got my son, Aaron. Say hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Alright. So, I'm going to do a mail call. Actually, it's a half mail call and a half store purchase. Now, before I get to those, I want to remind all my viewers too. And make sure you shade that bell so that way you receive future notifications as I'm doing my layout updates and 100 subscriber contest, each 100 subscribers all the way up to 1,000. That's right. I just awarded for the 200. We're working our way to the 300 subscriber contest right now. Now, with that being said, this package finally came in the mail. I ordered this thing off of eBay earlier this month. And I've got a crazy story to tell you about this package. I was supposed to get this package last week on August the 20th, which is my birthday. And, well, it was stuck somewhere in one of the post offices or distribution facilities in Pennsylvania for a while. So I went and put in a claim to USPS about, where's this package at? Because tracking showed that it's somewhere, it's in the Philadelphia distribution center, but it's not showing that it's in transit to the next location, and I should have got it on August 20th. I did that, I did that Tuesday. Then I get a phone call Wednesday morning from the postmaster of my local post office, and we talked for a little bit and told him what it was, and he basically told me everything I already knew. I saw the same thing that he saw. Well, magically on Thursday it arrived on my doorstep. So if the USPS is delaying your package, put in a claim and it will get taken pretty quick. Alright, so what I got off of eBay, and I'm using my brand new phone stand so that way I don't have to set the phone down while I open a box in front of you. So now you can actually see me opening the box. No.
Okay.
Alright. So after opening the box, this is another kit, a Walthers kit, that is to the Sawmill Complex that I plan on building if I do not make a mess. Because this box is full of peanuts. Alright, get that out of the way. So, this is it. This is the planing mill and shed. So this will actually go with the last one that you saw me get, which is the log loader. And I'm sure this is kind of bright, so I'm going to try to do my best. And then I also had the sawmill outbuildings, which includes a wood chipper, a wood chip gondola loader, which I'm probably not going to use that one, a wood chip truck loader, and a log debarker. So I'm going to set that right there. And then this one I've got from Anthony with the Georgia Sunbelt YouTube channel. He actually bought this one and he was going to put it on his layout, and he decided it wasn't going to work for him. So he kind of already painted some of this one, but this is the main one for the complex. It is the Mountain Lumber Company Sawmill. And speaking of, there's the TP burner that he already did. But that's okay, because I'm going to make it all match. Now, I told you on the sawmill outbuildings that I was not going to use the wood chip hopper. I'm actually going to use this one. This is an aggregate loader, but it can also be used for wood chips. Now, I also went to a little place in one of my neighboring towns, and it's called Collector's Paradise. I don't know if they have a Facebook or whatnot, But they mostly carry things like comic books, old DVDs or VHS tapes, anything collectible. They have a ton of Hot Wheels. I just walked in there one day just looking around, just seeing what they had, and lo and behold, they had some model train stuff. And I ended up buying some in the past. Well, I went in there the other day just to see if they got any more stuff because they buy estate sales. And sometimes you can find model train stuff at estate sales. And they only had 3 things left, and I was thinking, well, these are things that I could possibly use in the future. Well, one of them I know I'm going to use because I've already got this one aggregate loader. I wanted to make it to where I could actually load 2 cars simultaneously, and they had a second aggregate loader there. So these are going to be all of the buildings that I'm going to do as far as my Sawmill Complex, which I will be doing build videos for, and I mean this is going to be several series. So, and I'll probably start off with the small things such as the log loader. Now unfortunately my layout is not where it needs to be for me to go ahead and start doing this, but I'm getting close. So let me go ahead and put these off back to the side, so that way nothing gets lost. And I'll show you the other 2 items that I picked up from this place called Collector's Paradise. I got me some Walthers. Ooh, man, that's got a... There we go. Roof details. Yeah, it's got a reflection on it. That's the plastic for you. So, roof details. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do with these yet, but I'm sure I'm going to put them to some type of use because I have a lot of buildings. But the details include 3 motorized vents, 4 cyclone vents, 4 short monitor vents, 3 tall monitor vents, 3 wind direction vents or intakes, 2 small swamp coolers, 4 short T-style exhaust stacks, 3 angle exhaust or intakes, 2 capped exhaust stacks, 5 tall smoke jacks with caps, 1 small rooftop air conditioner, 1 medium rooftop air conditioner, 1 large rooftop air conditioner, and 1 motorized blower. So, I'm sure I can use these for something. And then the last thing that I got from them was a particulate dust cyclone. And in this picture here, it shows that it's attached to some type of trucking distribution center, and I'm actually going to have one of those, so I thought, oh, I might be able to use this, so I went ahead and picked that up. So other than that, that's what we got. You ready to help me put some kits together?
Are we doing it today?
Yeah, why not? You want to start one today? No, I'm not going to make you do it today, because we've got other things to do. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all have at it. Y'all, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribed. Also, make sure that you shade in the bell so that way you can receive the future videos. Yep, ding, 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 just like a bell. And especially when I start doing the build kits, because I've got my little magnetic tray thing over there, and I can't wait to use that thing. So subscribe, shade in the bell so you get future notifications, thumbs up so that way it helps with YouTube's algorithms, and feel free to share my channel out there if you're watching. And then what I want you to do is have a great and fabulous weekend. Be safe out there, and happy railroading.